To sharpen a Weldon Countersink. In this case we're using a cam which has a 30 thou lift. They come in 15, 20, 30, and 60. What you want to do is you want to position the beginning of the cut right where that set screw is. You want to make sure that you're on the slope before you start the grind. And then at the end of the grind, you're tailing off in the middle of that hole so that it's not proud at the end of the sweep. So it's best on this machine to use a super abrasive wheel. We have found that there's just enough minor distortions when you use a mineral wheel or an aluminum oxide wheel. If you get a little bit of deflection combined with some wheel glaze, you won't get the ramp that you think. So if you use a plated bond wheel, in this case we're using 100 grit CBN, you won't have any deflections and you'll be able to get exactly what you want. Here we've changed an 82 into a 90 degree countersink for a customer. We're gonna feed a couple of thou, and this is gonna be a finished pass. You want to make sure you're going nice and evenly. You can see I exited the grind right where the material trailed off, and now I'm going to enter the grind, and I'm on the ramp when I come in contact with the wheel, and that's what you want to make sure. If that slope isn't placed well, your countersink won't work. It'll rub on the flank behind the cutting edge. So that's it. Now we'll see if this countersink cuts. Beautiful.